And a breaking news update coming in with regards to how this fight has now reached the top court. A PIL has been filed in the Supreme Court urging a direction to the centre and SEBI to conduct an inquiry against short seller Anderson. Anderson, remember, is the founding member of Henderson and his associates for exploiting and duping lakhs of innocent investors and to prosecute them. So the PIL says that investigation must take place into the Adani issue following the publication of the report of this US-based investment research firm Hindenburg report that made several allegations including fraudulent transactions and share price manipulation at the group. So this is with regards to the PIL that's now been filed in the top court. Let me go across to Harish joining us with more details. Take us through the contents of this prayer, Harish. Very interesting that it seeks direction to the centre and SEBI to conduct an inquiry against Henderson.
Yes, that's right. The Adani stock crash row has now reached the Supreme Court. The plea has sought a probe against the short sellers, prosecution, and the taker of the duped investors situation and duped Indian investors be prosecuted. And the plea has been filed by Advocate Manohar Lal Sharma. So PIL has been filed in the Supreme Court urging a direction to the centre and SEBI to conduct an inquiry against short sellers Anderson and his associates for exploiting and duping lakhs of Indian innocent investors and prosecute them. It said investigation be ordered into the Adani issue following the publication of a report of a US-based investment research firm, Hindenburg, report that made several allegations including fraudulent transactions and share price manipulation at the group. The prayer goes on to say, be pleased to issue writ of mandamus to the respondents to conduct inquiry, to prosecute and register FIR under Section 420, that is cheating, 120B, criminal conspiracy, and several sections under the SEBI Act against the short sellers, Mr. Anderson and his associates, for exploiting innocent investors via short selling under the garb of artificial crashing, via short selling coupled with further direction to recover the turnover of short selling with penalty to compensate investors in the interest of justice. So it's expected that the petition will be mentioned before.
Very interesting. What this prayer really is speaking of, is highlighting upon, because remember, if we talk about this entire controversy, Harish, it goes without saying that there is vested interest in place for Hindenburg as well, given that they are betting on short selling as far as this entire report is concerned. But let's talk about what the demand is coming in from the opposition's end. Thank you, Harish, for joining us with those details.